I'm going to show you real quick how to change the speed for Morse code. I'm not using this bug here. I'm actually using this paddle, bencher paddle. It's plugged into the back of the radio. I'm going to teach you how to change the code speed on the Icom 706 Mark II-G. So what you do is you press and hold in the display button until you see the Q. Okay? Now, once you got Q5, your code speed by default is set to 20 words a minute. When I use the up and down key arrows here, it'll bring you show you how to set things up. So I got the CW paddle set to normal. And so when I go down, there's your break-in delay, your pitch, your RF power. So I'm going to go back up to Q5. Q5, okay? So my code speed is set to 20 words a minute. Okay, so I want to bring it down to 10 words a minute. So all I do is in Q5 key speed, I just rotate this. I think you can go up to 60 words a minute on this thing. But I just want to bring this down to 10. And that's it. And basically, you're good to go now. So you just press the display button and it'll bring you back into your regular area to send CW.